Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change a Discord background. So in this case, open your settings first, then scroll down and you'll find appearance under the app settings. So click on appearance, scroll down and you'll find here theme. Two theme, one light and dark. If you click on light, the background will be light like this. If you click on dark, the background will be dark. If you are a Nitro user, if you are a Nitro subscriber or use Nitro by paying cards or bills payments, then you can use this all types of Discord themes. Okay, themes or backgrounds. So this is how you can change Discord background colors. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.